Yeah, hi guys. Very good morning. My name is Chandan Singh. Welcome to my blog channel. Well, guys, I would like to tell you that right now I am at metro station, and actually I have been invited by Joe's Talk. You must have heard about Joe's Talk. It's a very August platform where I have been invited to share my story. So I'm at sector 16 metro station. I'm going to board the metro, and after that I'll go to Gurgaon for my Joe's Talk story sharing meeting or whatever. What should I say? So thank you very much, guys, and I really feel privileged to have been invited by such a prestigious show. So I'm really excited. Thank you, guys. Stay connected. Reaching there, if camera is allowed, I'll show you. If not allowed, then I'll just give you the information that I'm entering the building. Thank you. Stay connected. So, guys, right now I'm at Rajiv Chowk. I have deboarded the metro. Now I have to board another metro in order to go to Gurgaon. My destination is Sikandarpur, and from there I have to go towards Joe's Talk office. So I need to follow this yellow path. See, I need to follow this yellow footprints. It will take me to yellow line. Fine, guys. So see you there, guys. Thank you. Stay connected. Thank you. Hi, guys. So, guys, finally I have reached the venue. So this is phase 2, DLF phase 2, sector 25, and here is the Josh Talk office, the shooting place. So I have come here. Now I am entering inside. जोश टॉक का यही है ना? जी जी जी. Okay, ठीक है. So guys, finally I have entered, and such a beautiful location I would like to show you guys. And see, guys, and this is the building where shooting will take place. And here, if you talk about the security personnel, you can see the logo of Joe's Talk. This guy has the logo of Joe's Talk. तो मुझे बुलाया गया है यहाँ. तो कहाँ अंदर? इधर से जाना? अच्छा, ठीक है. थैंक यू भैया. थैंक यू. So now, guys, I'm going inside. I don't know whether camera is allowed or not. If it is allowed, I'll shoot some footages. If it is not, then it's okay, guys. I'll tell you what happened. Thank you, guys. Stay connected. I'm gonna show you the entire office.
This is our cafeteria.
Okay, so guys, the cafeteria of Josh Talks. You can see. So I can show you. Wow. And okay, this is the lawn area.
यहाँ पे भी हम लोग बैठ के आराम से काम कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
We want.
And so peace and tranquility is here, really. Amazing place. It's a lovely area. And in cafeterias, okay, here you can have your food. And this is the coffee machine. Fine, fine. Wow.
This is our main space.
Okay.
उसके जितने भी channels हैं, उनके गोल बटन.
अच्छा, यहाँ बहुत सारे चैनल्स हैं.
या मल्टीपल चैनल्स.
अरे ये अलग अलग लैंग्वेजेस में है क्या?
हाँ जी, रीजनल लैंग्वेज जिसके अंदर है तेलुगु, मलयालम, मराठी.
So guys, you can see the many channels of Joe's Talk and golden button.
Yeah.
Wow. And these all the people have been the part of that talk.
These are all the people जो जोश स्पीकर्स रह चुके हैं.
Okay.
उनके फोटोज हैं. हमने डिफरेंट इवेंट्स कवर किए.
Okay.
उनके फोटोग्राफ्स.
Okay. तो शायद मेरा भी आएगा कोई फोटो. Fine. Fine. Wow.
So अभी वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है. So this is the reason अभी आपको ऑफिस काफी खाली दिख रहा है. लंच टाइम में थोड़ा.
अच्छा, लंच टाइम. ओके. तो ये बहुत बड़ा एरिया है पूरा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक फुल. और फिर ये ऑफिस वगैरह ना?
हाँ, this is the admin and management part of this. So
Okay,
you
okay.
can see.
Guys, you can see the preparation is going on. So guys, actually when my shooting was going on, ये माइक मैंने ऑफ कर दिया वैसे.
हाँ, कुछ
Yes. That I was saying that like when the shooting was going on and I was wearing this jacket, but the buttons of my jacket were creating some noise, which was also getting recorded. So due to which I had to take off my jacket and only in this t-shirt recording was done, and I'm wearing white t-shirt because background, you can see background is black, so I'm not supposed to wear any black or any dark color. That's why I'm wearing white, and I already had this white t-shirt, so I did not buy any other. I wore it. And this logo, this is the logo which you see whenever you watch any Josh Talks program. This is very alluring logo, and this is the podium, the red color podium. This shooting is done, as you know, and actually Josh Talks has several channels, so they are going to start one more shooting which will be uploaded on another Josh Talk, I mean Josh Talks Hindi or something, and that will be for those people who are from UP board, Bihar board, government school students, and they are not able to speak in English, so they will be motivated that how if I can do it, then they can also do it. So one more shooting is going to be started, guys. So I will be giving you the updates, and when this video gets released, definitely you are gonna watch. So, and this is all your love, that your love has sent me here, your support, your unwavering support has sent me here, and I'm really ecstatic being here, because I have seen so many people coming on Joe's Talks sharing their stories, and it's not that easy to get a chance to be the part of this show, but I got, so I'm really happy. Thank you, guys. Fine, guys, so my shoot is over. Now I am leaving. So Akshay, thank you very much. Allow me
Thank
to
you,
go.
sir.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, and this is the way out?
Yeah.
And actually, it was really nice talking.
Same here.
Very, very genuine guy. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Let me talk to you.
Okay. Okay, so when the video releases, let me know.
Yeah, sure. I will.
Yeah. And it is on rent or
We
purchase?
own this property.
Okay, you own this property. Lovely. Big area. By this way, na? Like this, I'll go.
Secunderpur.
Yeah, the metro station.
Area is this way.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean,
Almost you can turn left.
okay, left. Okay, I'll ask somebody. Okay, Charlie, thank you. Thank you once again. Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, same here, same. Okay, bye. So guys, as you saw, that my Josh Talk shooting is over. Now I am heading towards metro station so that I can board the metro and reach my home. It was really very nice experience, I would say, and amazing. So thank you, guys. So see you in another episode. Thank you very much. Bye, guys.